All right, ladies and gentlemen, what I have for you today is a car collection by a local enthusiast. These cars are located in Beulah, Alabama. He is looking to downsize some of his collection, so let's go over it. Everything you see in this video is pretty much for sale, whether it be cars, parts, miscellaneous signs, you name it, he probably has it. This is part one. We'll have some more stuff for y'all soon as I can get back out and we can go through some stuff. But yeah, enjoy. I'm going to do quick little walk-arounds of the vehicles, and if you want any more info on any of the cars, feel free to reach out to me on YouTube or Facebook. I'll have the description of all the cars and prices in the description of this video, and then also feel free to reach out. My cell phone will also be in there as well. So enjoy the cars, and yeah, let me know if y'all need anything else or have any more questions.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross All the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's